Ed boys? Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself. I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Ow!
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Many doors, yes? Yeehaw!
What are you, some kind of troll or something? And ruin all this frustration? Ha ha! Get it on!
You're crazy.
Oh.